It was another beautiful and sunny Wednesday. Thank you for tuning in to NewsLink Indiana Weather. I am weather forecaster Chris Guevara, and we're actually sitting more warmer than normal today. We're getting a high of 82 degrees. Look at our average though, 67, so that is definitely making it above average for this time of the year. We didn't quite reach that record set in 2007 at 90 degrees. Now throughout most of the day, we've been sitting relatively dry, free of clouds and sunny conditions. Now we're going to be noticing a wind gust. As we're going to see sitting around relatively dry conditions and sunny skies throughout most of the day leading into tonight. Now we do have this cold front that is coming down from the north that's going to be dropping our temperatures later tonight into those lower 50s to upper 40s. For right now though, we're still staying relatively warm. Right now in Muncie, 66 degrees, 70 degrees in Shelbyville, 72 degrees in Indianapolis. Now, the biggest story talk is Hurricane Delta. Delta is currently a Category 1 hurricane, winds at 90 miles per hour, currently located in the southern Gulf of Mexico near the Yucatan Peninsula. And this is going to be making its way northward all the way up to the coast of Louisiana, impacting around Friday afternoon as a Category 2 hurricane. Now, this isn't the first time Louisiana has been impacted by some hurricane or tropical storm during this year's hurricane season. It's actually been 6 times Louisiana has been hit by either a hurricane or a tropical storm. Now, we don't have to worry about Hurricane Delta, but instead we're going to be worrying about some cooler temperatures, clear conditions tonight, dropping down into the lower 50s. And tomorrow we rise back up slowly, starting off the day cool, 46 degrees by 8 a.m., but warming back up all the way into those lower 70s. Now, if you're going to go out for the pumpkin patch this weekend, it's going to be a beautiful weekend, kind of eerie conditions with the clouds slowly starting to move in, partly sunny conditions by Saturday, reaching the mid-70s. But by Sunday, clouds start increasing, temperatures start dropping back down into the lower 70s. Now, cooler conditions, that is definitely meaning the colors on the leaves, the colors on the trees of the leaves are going to start changing. This is going to be around the mid-October, which we're almost there. And towards the late October, we're going to start really seeing the colors start getting those vibrant colors. But when are we going to actually see the cooler temperatures? The Climate Prediction Center is definitely still keeping us above average temperatures for this time of the year, so it might still be some time before we actually see those leaves start changing colors. Now, speaking of temperatures, we are going to have a wild ride with these temperatures as we look into the mid-7-day forecast. By Thursday, we cool off into the lower 70s, but then rise back up into the lower 80s by Friday, then slowly start dropping back down by the weekend, then rising right back up by Monday, and then slowly dropping back down again by next Wednesday. If you guys have any more questions, please follow us on NLY Weather on Twitter, and be sure to tune in tonight at 9 p.m. on NewsLink Indiana's Facebook page for Facebook Live for our news show.